Best transmission and auto repair, 5250 Airport Highway, Toledo, Ohio. Give us a call today at 419-389-9800, 419-389-9800. Call us now. If your car's not running right, your car won't start, your car won't move, it's stuck, and you're going nowhere, call us. We'll be sure to get you back on the road safe and secure. At Best Transmission and Auto Repair, we rebuild all transmissions in-house. We take the time and the care to rebuild your car back to its original state using all American-made parts. At Best Transmission, not only can we repair your transmission and get you running, but we also can fix your brakes, your radiator, your air conditioning, your power steering, your rack and pinion, your ball joints, CV joints. At Best Transmission, we repair all domestic cars. Best Transmission will be happy to help you with any problems that you may have. So give us a call, 419-389-9800, 5250 Airport Highway, Toledo, Ohio. Best Transmission and Auto Repair has express transmission repair service. We'll get you in and out fast using, again, quality American-made products. Never cheap, aftermarket, no-name brand parts. We care about you. We care about your car. We want to get you running safely and effectively. So call us today, 419-389-9800, 5250 Best Transmission and Auto Repair. Stop by, check us out. If your check engine light on, your car overheating, engine blown up, check us out. We'll beat any competitor's price. Thank you for watching our video, and God bless you. Best Transmission, 5250 Airport Highway. Call us today, 419-389-9800. Best Transmission and Auto Repair, Toledo, Ohio. Thank you.